Welcome to Trezia Apartments in Zvishavane. It's an 18-roomed lodge in Zvishavane, and it's very close to all amenities. It's very close to the CBD, it's very close to the police station, it's very close to any other places like hospitals and stuff.
What's the address?
1080. We are at 1080 in Eastlea. Eastlea, Zvishavane, yes.
Right.
It's very close to the CBD.
So you said you have how many rooms? 18?
We have 18 rooms.
How many
total.
singles?
We have about 10 single rooms, including standard rooms, deluxe rooms, and executives.
Prices?
We start at $60 at our standard rooms. Our deluxe rooms are going for $70, and all our executives are at $100 US.
Okay.
And they all include breakfast.
Thanks very much. This is the place. It's kind of dark, but it's nice and modest. And this is the manager.
Maulana, my name is Maulana.
And the phone number?
Our phone numbers are my number.
Don't worry. Yes, Bridget. So, what area is this?
Oh, this is our reception.
And security cameras.
Security cameras. So all our guests come through here when checking in. All our rooms are equipped with AC. We got Wi-Fi, swimming pool, and hot water. Kitchen. It's an open kitchen. This is our head chef here.
Okay.
Chef Taku. He face the camera. Yeah, he's one of the best in town.
Oh.
Chef Taku. Yeah.
Open kitchen, right?
Yes.
All right.
So yeah, this is our parking lot here. It's only reserved for the residences.
Okay.
Yeah.
And these are the rooms.
These are the rooms. These are some of the rooms that unfortunately they are occupied.
Okay.
These are our executives. So come, I'll show you our deluxe rooms. So this is one of our self-catering facilities. And it's a deluxe apartment.
It's couches.
Yeah, self-catering. It's got its own kitchen and 2 bedrooms. It's at 120 US a night.
This is the kitchen, right?
Yeah, it's a family-style apartment. One is got an suite. Yeah. Then the other one is on the other side. Self-catering facilities here. And this is the other bedroom.
This is what is same room.
Same apartment, yeah.
Hey.
2 rooms. And it goes for 120 a night.
Okay.
Yes.
And comes with it.
It comes with all amenities.
Okay.
Yes.
Where are you, Bridget?
Ndikudzoka ikoko we are toward Trezia. This is the bar in Zvishavane. Tukudya mari na sekuru dumi. This is a lodge and bar, right? A lodge and bar in Zvishavane called Trezia. Pane vanhu vane mari dzavo makorokoza varipo nasekuri dumi nadreda mati chikwete
Trezia.
Oh.
Trezia,
Lodge bar.
To the fullest.
To the fullest, my brother.
Yeah, all right.
Yes, one time.
Nepu. We are going to be. Explain what is this?
The pool. It's the only heated pool in Zvishavane. Yeah.
How many rooms do you have here?
18 in total.
Yeah, they start from what? How much?
$60 single rooms, standard rooms.
Right.
Deluxe rooms $88 and executives $100.
Executive $100.
$100
US dollars.
US dollars,
Okay.
including breakfast.
US dollars.
Yeah.
Okay. And who are you here?
I'm the manager here
Okay. Zvishavane town.
in town, yeah, in Eastlea.
Eastlea.
Yeah,
Address?
1048 Eastlea.
What time do you operate from?
We operate from 7 a.m. till late.
Okay.
Yeah,
Check-in time?
check-in time is 2 p.m.
2 p.m. Check-out?
Check-out time is 10.
10. Okay. Do you have breakfast? Or
Yes, we do.
you included in the booking?
The bookings.
All right. And when was this built?
We've been operating for a year now.
For a year. So it's a pretty new place since 2024.
Since 2024, yeah.
Lovely. Thanks very much, my bro.
You're welcome.
Oi, papi.